Hello, listeners. Today's video is going to be about the third aspect of learning English, which is speaking. So, you remember that I talked about the four pillars of learning any language. They are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, I have already made videos previously about listening and reading. Today, I'm going to give you some tips about speaking. Now, I know that most of you are severely underconfident when it comes to speaking. This is one aspect of language which bothers beginners, especially beginners or even in the intermediate level speakers, a lot. Because we feel that if we speak wrong English, people will make fun of us. So we are not, sure, and we are not confident enough to speak the language. So today I'm going to give you some tips which are going to be really helpful for you when it comes to speaking. So we all know learning a language is one of the most rewarding things you can do. Okay, and there are a lot of ways that you can learn or improve your skills in a particular language, from attending classes to even self learning. Yes, but have you realized that you can also put your smartphone to a great use when it comes to learning a language, especially for speaking? Okay, so today I'm going to tell you there are various apps which are available to you which you can use to learn speaking. So the best way to learn speaking is by speaking. So the best way to learn anything is by practicing it a lot, right? So by speaking a lot, at least you should chalk out some time in your day, say like 15 minutes or 20 minutes that you would devote every day to speaking, which is going to improve your English. Yes. So now I'm going to tell you a few apps which are going to help you do that. If you don't have anybody, if you have somebody, somebody who's good at speaking English, then you can converse with them every day. Uh, I'm talking about somebody who can guide you as to where you're going wrong in terms of your sentence formation or grammar or pronunciation. But if you don't have anybody like that, then what you can do is that you can use these apps which are going to guide you. You will have people who will be talking to you. Either it will be an AI, or a computer generated voice which is going to talk to you, or some real people that you can talk to and improve your speaking. So one of the apps is Hello English. This is my first recommendation for anybody looking to improve their English because it covers all the aspects of language learning, including vocabulary, translation, grammar, spellings, spoken, and reading skills as well. Okay, so you should already be able to understand basic English structure and alphabets. Okay, so this will not teach you from ABC. So if you know the basic words and you know the letters, and you then you can. And I think every one of us know that much because in India English is a second language, it's used everywhere. So you can start using this app. So you will have to, when you launch this app, you will have to select your native language. So you can select from Hindi to English, and then there are 22 languages available there, and then it will do a level check. Okay, so you will be given 20 questions, and that app will use it to assess your current English level, and according to that, according to the answers that you provide, it will start from that level. So if you do very well, so maybe the app will start from some 300 or something level. But if you are not doing that well, then it will start from a lower level. So, and this is a free app, so it's a very useful app. Then the other app is Duolingo. You must have heard about Duolingo. It's a very popular app to learn many languages. So you can, and Duolingo uses interactive games to help you learn up to 23 different languages, including English. So for beginners, the app focuses on learning. It will help you learn verbs, phrases, and sentences. Okay, and advanced learners, so who already know certain English, so they can improve their language by completing writing, speaking, and vocabulary lessons as well. Okay, so all you have to do is choose the language you want to learn and your native language and start the learning process. Okay, so another app that I am going to recommend to you, okay, and Duolingo is also free, by the way. Another app that I want to recommend to you is Lingby. So both Duolingo and Hello English can help you learn English and improve it. However, when you are ready to practice your spoken skills in the real world, you'll need Linkbee. It's a community based app where people help each other learn and share their native language. It connects you with real people on call that are native in their language. Okay, so you will be talking to native speakers. So Linkbee has the language exchange system. They get talking to get talking minutes to learn a foreign language, you will have to first talk with someone in your native language and then help them learn it. Okay, so it is basically a give and take app where you are both the teacher and the learner. Overall, it's a fun way. So the point is that you are going to teach the other person your native language as Hindi or any regional language of yours, and they are going to teach you English in return. Yeah, so it's a great way. No, you are both the teacher and the learner. So good. Okay, so there are many apps like Linkbee that connect with native speakers, but I have selected this one because it is extremely simple to use. And you just need to select your native language and the language you want to learn, and then tell a little bit about your interest. This information will not be visible to other users, it will only be used to connect you with the right user on the call. Okay, so another app that I want to tell you is Memrise. So, Memrise offers a large variety of courses for a lot of different languages, including English. So, these courses are actually constructed by other members of Memrise community, making Memrise a crowd-sourced learning platform. Most of the lessons are gamified, and Memrise offers all the tools to let regular users create the course. Okay, so apart from these, there are also some of the paid apps, sorry, which you can use. So some of them are the good ones I'm talking about are Cambly. So it is a great app where you can talk to again native speakers and they can help you improve your language. There are professional tutors there on the app, but then it is a paid app. And there are many other paid apps which are available, like I think Elsa is one of them. So you can try that also. Hello English is another app which is also available for you people. So you can try that as well. So uh, the gist of today's video was the mantra to success in terms of spoken English is by practicing. Practice as much as you can without the fear of being judged, and you will learn the language. It's okay to make mistakes. And if you practice on these apps, nobody is judging you. They're only going to help you. They understand, the people on the other end understand that it's not your first language. Nobody is going to make fun of you. Okay, just give it your best shot. But being regular at doing practicing speaking is very important. Being regular at anything is very important. It's just like learning a sport or learning a skill. The more you practice, the better you get at it. So I wish you all the best in learning speaking. And tell me, how was your what level were you when you started using these apps, and what level are you 1 month late? Just compare it and let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Please like, share, subscribe to the videos and if you like it, and let us know if you like our content so that we can make more videos which are informative as well as educational for you people.